If you've come across RobUX or Word.net offering 5,000 free Robux, you're probably asking yourself, is this finally the hack every Roblox player has been waiting for, or just another sketchy scam wrapped in flashy promises? In this video, I decided to investigate every part of the platform to see if it holds up under scrutiny. The first thing that stood out was how new the website actually is. It was registered just a few months ago, which already raises questions about its credibility. There's no official announcement from Roblox confirming any kind of partnership or event tied to this site, which you'd expect for something promising such a huge amount of Robux for free. I also took a look at their Discord, which looks hastily put together with little to no engagement or moderation, and it doesn't give any confidence that this is a legitimate operation. Then come the quests, a series of tasks that force users to download random apps, take surveys, or visit sketchy third-party links, all under the promise that doing so will get you closer to the reward. These tactics are common in scam websites that just want your clicks, data, or to profit from ad revenue. To make things worse, RobUX or Word.net constantly pushes you with lines like limited time only, or claim now before it's too late, using fake urgency to pressure people into acting fast before they think things through. What's missing? Everything you'd expect from a legitimate service. There's no contact information, no company background, no clear privacy policy, and absolutely no legitimate reviews from real users on platforms like Trustpilot. In fact, I couldn't find a single trustworthy source backing this site. I'm not here to tell you it's 100% a scam, but I can say there's absolutely no reason to trust it. With this many red flags, it's smarter to stay away than risk losing your time, your data, or worse,